The economy and news tonight on mortgages across this country. This comes after a tough week already. That massive interest rate hike aimed at taming historic inflation here in the U.S. Stocks closing out their worst week since March of 2020. And just days after the Fed raised those rates, the news on mortgages, the impact, and some brokers tonight who hope there might be a key silver lining in all this for some of those who've been looking to buy a home for some time now. Victor Akendo from Florida with the explanation.
Tonight, after the biggest weekly jump in mortgage rates since 1987 and home prices at record highs, an already tough year for home buyers just got tougher.
The average monthly payment for a mortgage has gone up 40% since the end of last year. And that's accounting for both rising interest rates and rising home prices.
Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell announcing the biggest rate hike in decades, hoping the move will stabilize home prices.
I would say if you're a home buyer, somebody or a young person looking to buy a home, you need a bit of a reset. We need to get back to a place where supply and demand are back together.
It's been a frenzy.
But here in South Florida, one of the hottest real estate markets in the country, realtors like Jamie Tompkins hope there is a silver lining in these rising rates, helping some of the 12 million prospective home buyers that are priced out of the market. Many of them first-timers.
It'll be a factor. It'll start to slow it down a little bit, but honestly, we need a little more normalcy in our market. So the interest rates will just add to more normalization of the market.
So you're kind of in favor of what's happening right now?
Well, it's been too crazy. So it's been, properties go on the market, they go right away. Now we are starting to see a slowdown where the average buyer can get into the market and it's not a bidding war.
And experts we spoke with say that these mortgage rates could stay high until 2024, but warn it's difficult to make those projections. Bottom line, David, this red-hot housing market we've seen for the last decade finally showing signs of slowing down.